Hi everyone and welcome to a new tutorial. This time I'm going to show you how to crochet an elastic border for pants, sleeves or cuffs. This will be a baby panty and I'm using our Woolpedia Merino Elegance yarn color Baroness. This border is perfect for the crochet knit stitch. It is elastic and super easy to adjust. I'm using a 2.5mm crochet hook for this yarn. You should use a smaller hook size than usual for this border. Start at the inner side of your work. We're going to crochet this border in rows, so we're going to crochet up and down all the time. My border height will be 6 stitches. You can adjust the size by chaining more or less stitches. More stitches will give you a longer border. Now, chain 6 stitches, yarn over and pull through. 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. Chain 1 extra stitch for turning. Now we're going to crochet across the row. We're going to use the back loop only all the time. At the beginning of a row, skip the first stitch. Crochet single crochet through the second stitch. Insert your hook, pull up a loop, yarn over and pull through 2. Crochet single crochets across the row through the back loop only. Three, 4, 5, and 6. Now we're going to join this row to our panty leg. Use the V's of our leg stitches. Stitch through a V and pull up a loop. Stitch through the second V and pull up a loop. And pull up a loop through the third V. You've got 4 loops on your hook. Yarn over and pull through all the loops on your hook. Then turn your work. Make sure to keep your tension high. Now skip the first stitch and crochet single crochet through the back loop. You should have 6 single crochets. If you chain 6 stitches at the beginning, you should have 6 single crochets for each row. For example, if you chain 10 stitches at the beginning, you should have 10 single crochets now. Don't forget to chain 1 before turning. Skip the first stitch, crochet 6 single crochets across the row through the back loop. After the 5th, you will be searching for the 6th one. This stitch is hiding underneath. And then again, pull up 3 loops through our V's on the leg section. You've got 4 loops on your hook, yarn over and pull through all the 4 loops. Now turn your work and crochet 6 single crochets across the row. Repeat all the steps across the leg section. This is how it looks like when you're done. You can sew the border on the inside. I'm going to join the border using slip stitches. You can sew it using a tapestry needle. There are no eggshell stitches for this, but you're going to choose the spaces for stitching on your own. Now cut the yarn, chain 1, pull the yarn through the loop and tighten. Then sew your loose ends and you're done. I hope this tutorial was helpful. Happy crocheting, and until next time, bye bye!